Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Sarkar and I am a student of Digital Dropout School. This is my assignment 4 from the Bulletproof Video Editor Premiere Pro Mastery module. In this video, I will show you step by step how to go from opening a project to exporting a final video in Adobe Premiere Pro. I will explain everything in a simple and beginner friendly way. So let's get started. At first, opening Premiere Pro. After opening, click on New Project. Now give your project a name. For example, I will name it Assignment 4 Project. Choose a location where you want to save your project. Then click on Create option. Now we are inside the Premiere Pro workspace. Now we need to import our video files. There are two easy ways to do this. Double click inside the project panel or go to File Import. Select your video files and click Open. Now we can see our footage inside the project panel. To use the footage, simply drag into the timeline. Primary may ask, do you want to match the sequence setting? I click Yes. Now our sequence is ready. Now I will show you some basic editing. To cut a clip, select the razor tool or press C on your keyboard. Click where you want to cut. To go back to the selection tool, press V. Now you can select unwanted parts by selecting and pressing delete. If there is a gap, simply drag the clip and collapse together by dragging them left or right. Now we want to adjust audio volume. Click on the audio track. Drag the line up to increase volume. Drag it down to decrease volume. We can use the Effect Controls panel for more controls. Now we want to add some effects in our video. At first, go to the Effects panel, search for a simple effect like Luminosity color. Drag it into our clip. Then go to the Effect Controls and adjust brightness or contrast. This makes your video look better and more professional. Now let's add some text in our video. Go to the Type tool or press T. Click on the program monitor and type our text. Then go to the Essential Graphics to change font, size or color. This is how we add titles or names in our video. Now our simple video editing is done. To export the video, go to the File, Export, Media or press Ctrl+M. The export window will open. Choose format H.264 or preset select Max Source High Quality. Choose the location where you want to save the file. Rename your video if needed. Then click Export. Now Premiere Pro will render our final video. And that's it, our video is ready. So this is my complete process from project opening to final export in Adobe Premiere Pro. I am really grateful to Digital Dropout School for giving me an opportunity to learn and grow step by step. As a student of Digital Dropout School, I am improving every day and building my skills professionally. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next project.